Line 36. When in greater yang disease, there is headache, fever, generalized pain, lumbar pain, joint pain, aversion to wind, asthma with absence of sweating, ephedra decoction, ma huang tang, governs. Ephedra, ma huang, ephedri herba, 3 liang, remove nodes. Cinnamon twig, guiji, cinnamomi ramulus, 2 liang, remove bark. Honey fried licorice, qigong chow, glycyrrhizae radix, 1 liang. Apricot kernel, Shang, Armeniaki semen, 70 pieces, remove skin and tips. 4. The above 4 ingredients use 9 Shang of water. First boil ephedra, ma huang, to reduce the water by 2 Shang. Remove the foam and add all the ingredients. Boil to get 2.5 Shang, remove the dregs and warm take 8 gur. Cover to obtain mild sweating. It is not necessary to eat rice gruel with the decoction. Rest and follow the requirements and contraindications as for cinnamon twig decoction, guiji tang. Line 36 discusses greater yang cold damage. Although the term cold damage does not appear in the text, we know that this is cold damage because ephedra decoction, ma huang tang, is suggested. From this line in lines 1 and 3, the signs of greater yang cold damage are seen to include fever or as yet no fever, aversion to wind or cold, absence of sweating, and headache, as well as pain and stiffness in the back of the neck, generalized pain, lumbar pain, joint pain, asthma, total 8 syndrome, and a pulse that is floating and tight. Of all these, the key sign is absence of sweating since, by indicating exterior syndrome, it is the chief sign differentiating greater yang cold damage from greater yang wind strike. Sweating fails to occur when evil qi is strong and the patient's right qi is also strong. The right qi and evil qi contend and right qi cannot push out evil qi, which becomes lodged in the exterior and obstructs the outward movement of sweat. Also due to cold evil dominant contraction and constriction, close the skin pore of whole body, no sweating. Headache and pain and stiffness in the back of the neck, generalized pain, lumbar pain, and joint pain occur when the cold evil lodged in the exterior inhibits the greater yang channel qi. Also due to cold evil injured the nutritive qi, easy cause blood circulation stagnation. Asthma occurs when the evil interferes with the lung, impairing lung disperse and descending function. Once dispel the external evil, after promote sweating, lung will restore the function, asthma will stop at the same time. Chun, Guan, Qi 3 position all floating tight. It belonged to Taiyang Shang Han cold damage, only Ma Huang decoction can treat it. Ephedra decoction promotes sweating, dispel the cold, it's a strong agent for relieve the exterior. It is a major prescription for excess of exterior syndrome. Ephedra, Ma Huang, function is promote sweating, dispel the cold evil, open skin pore, stop asthma. Cinnamon twig, guiji, function is reinforcing the yang, help ma huang to dispel the wind cold pathogen, apricot kernel, Shang, benefit lung, stop asthma, licorice harmonize the middle jiao. When applying this formula, in general, the ratio ephedra, cinnamon twig, licorice equals 3 to 2 to 1 is appropriate. If the ratio is not following the right proportion, it may affect the therapeutic effect of sweating. Typical ephedra decoction syndrome is not common, however, in the severe cold area still exist. At the same time, the application of ephedra is not limited to this. First of all, ephedra is effective in the treatment of all kinds of pain, especially for cold pain. For example, to treat B syndrome pain, small life-prolonging decoction, Xiao Su Ming Tang, cinnamon twig, pony, and Anna Marina decoction, Guiji Xiao Jimu Tang, etc., all contain ephedra. Secondly, ephedra agent also has a very significant effect on asthma. In addition to ephedra decoction, Shao Chang Long decoction, Ma Xing Shirgan decoction and Ding Chuan Tang, all based on Ma Huang. Modern medicine used ephedrine to treat asthma. As early as 1,700 years ago, ephedra has been widely used to treat asthma, is a great contribution. Third, ephedra agent can treat some diseases caused by cold evil obstruct the body. There is a medical record of treatment of a dystocia woman suffering from Taiyang cold damage, with a dose of ephedra decoction, after sweating, the baby born. This indicates that the dystocia may be related to the blockage to cold evil and obstruction of qi and blood in Yin and Wei. After promote the sweating, dispel the cold evil. Occlusion unblocked and fetal delivery naturally.